learn English workshop of 2.1. You start dying slowly. Let's start. English workshop. Question 1. Read the different messages in the poem given below. Choose the one that suits the poem best. कवितेतील पुढील वेगवेगळी बोधवाक्य वाचा आणि या कवितेला समर्पक असलेले एक बोधवाक्य निवडा. Face life whatever it may give you. Fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. Be yourself and do what your heart tells you. Accept all the possible changes or risks that you have taken. Keeping your self-esteem intact, just try to relax in life. And the answer, fulfill all your dreams and unfulfilled desires. Next question. Question number 2. State the following. A. Theme oblique central idea of the poem. कवितेची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना. Answer. The central idea of this poem is that she should enjoy each and every moment of her life. The poem reminds us once again the age-old wisdom that life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. We live fully only when we enrich ourselves with new knowledge, wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges. If we settle for a life that is stagnant, repetitive, or conventional, we start dying slowly instead of living life the fully. Next question. Question number 2B. Line that provides evidence of the theme. Answer. The line that provides evidence of the theme is, if you do not listen to the sound of life, you start dying slowly. Next, 3 characteristics from the poem that makes a person dull and uninteresting. Answer. Slaves of habits, killing self-esteem, don't like traveling, walking every day on the same paths, don't like to change routine. These characters make a person dull and uninteresting. Next question. Question number 3. Pick out 4 adjectives from the poem and write them down with the nouns they describe. कवितेतील 4 विशेषण शोधायला सांगितलेले आहेत आणि ते कोणत्या नामाचं वर्णन करतात ते नाम त्याच्याबरोबर लिहायचं आहे. बा आन्सर 1. सेम पाथ्स. या ठिकाणी सेम हे काय आहे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि पाथ्स हे काय आहे नाउन आहे. नेक्स्ट, डिफरंट कलर्स. डिफरंट ॲडजेक्टिव्ह कलर्स नाउन. नेक्स्ट, ट्रबलंट इमोशन्स. ट्रबलंट ॲडजेक्टिव्ह इमोशन नाउन. नेक्स्ट, सेन्सिबल ॲडवाइस. सेन्सिबल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि ॲडवाइस नाउन. Next question. Question number 4. Compare the structure of the poem You Start Dying Slowly to the poems in Unit 1, 1.1 and 1.3. To which poem does the structure match? The structure of the poem Basket full of moonlight matches with the you start dying slowly. What difference do you notice in the other ones? Note them down. Answer. Number, structure of poem, you start dying slowly, a teenager's prayer, basket full of moonlight. 1. Rhyming words, no, yes, no. 2. Steady rhyme, steady rhythm, no, yes, no. Next, lines of equal length, no, yes, no. Last, stanzas with equal number of lines, no, yes, no. Next question. Question number 5. What expression is repeated in the poem? How many times? Why do you think the poet emphasizes it? या कवितेत कोणता वाक्यप्रयोग पुन्हा पुन्हा आलेला आहे? तो किती वेळा आलेला आहे? कवीने त्याच्यावर का विशेष जोर म्हणजे त्याला विशेष महत्त्व का दिलेले आहे? Answer. The expression you start dying slowly is repeated 4 times in the poem. I think the poet wants to draw reader's attention towards that line, so emphasizes on it. Next question. Question number 6. Write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. Answer. You do not travel. You should travel as much as you can. Next, you do not appreciate yourself. You should appreciate yourself. Next, you kill your self-esteem. Answer. You should keep up your self-esteem. Next, you become a slave of habits. You should not become a slave of habits. Next, you refuse to speak to strangers. You should speak to strangers. Next, you do not change your life. You should change your life. Next, you refuse to take a risk. You should take risk. Next question. Question number 7. Go through the following step and discuss in pairs about the facts mentioned in it. Write a paragraph using the points. Give another interesting title. खाली दिलेल्या पायऱ्या लक्षात घ्या व त्यात उल्लेख केलेले मुद्दे वापरून एक परिच्छेद लिहा आणि त्याला दुसरे एखादे आकर्षक शीर्षक द्या. अगोदर मुद्दे लक्षात घ्या. लिव्हिंग अ बेटर लाईफ, गेट रीड ऑफ वन बॅड हॅबिट ॲट अ टाइम, अवॉइड निगेटिव्ह थॉट्स, बी पॉझिटिव्ह, ट्रस्ट युअरसेल्फ, लव व्हॉट यू डू, try to enrich your mind by becoming a lifelong learner, sharing and caring makes life enjoyable, be humble, respect and welcome, accept each day with a smile. Answer. Title: Lead a happy life. In order to live a better life, one must preserve to get rid of one's bad habits one at a time. A positive outlook towards all things is fundamental of an enriching life. One must avoid a negative approach and hope for the best even on the toughest situation. In addition, it is very important to have faith in one's self. Only if we love ourselves can we love others. One must make an effort to make life interesting by learning as much as one can throughout one's life. True happiness and experienced only by sharing it, and hence one must care for everyone around. Each day is a new beginning. We must try to live life to the fullest by following all the steps that have been mentioned above. Finally, we must also have humility and respect for everyone around us in order to lead a better life. Next question. Question number 8. Complete the following table with the thing in your life which help you in change your habits and routine. तुमचे नियमित दिनक्रम व सवयी बदलण्यासाठी सहाय्यक ठरणाऱ्या तुमच्या जीवनातील काही गोष्टी भरून पुढील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. आन्सर बघा. इफ आय डू दिस आय शॅल. बघा, जर मी हे केले तर काय होईल ते पुढे दिले लक्षात घ्या. इफ आय ट्रॅव्हल आय शॅल सी द ब्युटी ऑफ नेचर. इफ आय रीड आय शॅल लर्न मोर. इफ आय चेंज माय बॅड हॅबिट्स आय शॅल बिकम ॲन आयडियल पर्सन. If I play continuously on a mobile phone, I shall miss the pleasure of playing outdoor games. If I don't make friends, I shall become alone in my life. Next question. Question number 9. Everyone needs inspiration to move ahead or make progress in our life. There are some things which inspire us to live better. What are those things? आपल्या जीवनात पुढे जाण्यासाठी किंवा प्रगती करण्यासाठी प्रत्येकाला प्रेरणेची गरज असतेच. अधिक चांगले जीवन जगण्यासाठी आपल्याला काही बाबी नेहमी प्रेरित करत असतात. तर त्या बाबी कोणत्या? आन्सर बघा. स्टोरीज, मूवीज, inspirational video, poems, motivational lectures, and autobiography of ideal person. Next question. Complete the wave diagram with words that go with their topics. बघा, खाली जे काही शब्द दिलेत त्याच्याशी संबंधित शब्द लिहा असं सांगितलेलं आहे. पहिला आहे बघा ट्रबलंट. ट्रबलंट काय आहे लक्षात घ्या. पहिल्यांदा ते ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहे आणि त्याचे संबंध दिलेला शब्द काय आहे स्ट्रॉंग. हे काय आहे नाउन आहे. तर इतर शब्दसुद्धा आपल्याला नाउनच लिहायचे आहेत. आन्सर वेदर, अँगर, सी वेव्स अँड हेवी रेन्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड आहे ग्लिस्टन आणि त्याचं एक उत्तर दिले लक्षात घ्या आईज. नेक्स्ट स्टार्स, डायमंड्स, टीयर्स आणि वॉटर. द लास्ट वर्ड सेन्सिबल, ॲडवाइज, फीलिंग, थॉट्स, माइंड अँड पीपल. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.